Cabot Trail. Yo, let's go before that biker passes us. Nice. So we're back on Cabot Trail after doing Meat Cove, and with any luck we're gonna get a couple of twisties. They do want to play, but luckily we're wearing all the gears, and they play, but that rain don't scare me. So right now we got 71 kilometers until we go Chetty Camp, yeah, until the place where we were told by some nice locals that we might find a beautiful cabin to stay at, and some food to eat, and a beer to drink. So that's kind of why we're going there along the coast. And they also said that this section that we're about to hit, these next 60-70 kilometers, are potentially the most beautiful of this whole island. But we'll see about that. We'll be the judges of that. Hopefully by the time we get there it's not pouring rain. But if it... What? That's a helicopter. Crashed. That was random, right? Fucking weirdos. It's pretty bumpy on this road, eh? A couple of turns coming up pretty soon. Because right now we're going through the land part, and then we're gonna get back to the coast. And this is day 5. Towards the end of the day. Got another hour or 2 in our stops. More than likely an hour. Tomorrow we ride some more Cabot Trail and then head down through Nova Scotia. Back to recording. I don't know where the camera died last time, but we're on Cabot Trail and we're cooking it. Day 5. No talking, just riding. Well, I found a gear between 4th and 5th. That's sweet. Whoa. What the hell is the meaning of this? What's going on? It was a quick stop. Oh, right, the construction. We're back to the fucking road with construction. I know, right? Rain and construction is back in the cards. Good. Yeah. So we got construction, we got rain, we got moose. And maybe if they have stickers, haha. With any luck, there's no more construction ahead. Oh shit. Wow, what the hell? It's for some sort of mine. It's gotta be for a mine. It's like a dredge. Oh. Oh, I think they're letting equipment go. I think because of that. Let's keep going. They're not stopping us. Nobody told us to stop. Literally nobody told us to stop. Wow. It's for a mine. It's gotta be for a mine. Nice, that's pretty interesting. We got some turns coming up. Maybe for cars, but we're motorcycles, so we can fit, you know? Because for cars, they probably had to pull over. Yeah. Definitely mine equipment. Nice. Look. Down, forward, forward, yeah. Go forward. Nice. It was a big little construction site. A big little construction. There you go. Makes sense. Don't go hunting around here, boy. There we go. Now we're back. Good. Am I still recording? Yes. Beautiful bridge. I like it. I like how we got to meet Cove and it became super sunny and beautiful, right? And now we're back over here and it's like gray again, just like it was. Interesting. Nice little turn here. Yep. Hopefully we passed his guy. Oh yeah, we're good. We're solid. It's like an overlook there. We'll pass him. Soon, because we can't wait till the damn. He's pulling over. Go. He's pulling over. Dude, you can sell. He's on the line. Thank you. He's awesome. That guy is the man. Yep. Downshift. A what? Yeah, exactly. Because I'm trying to stay back because I keep, yeah. Because some sections I'm faster and some sections I'm slower. No, not necessarily. But that too. That too. Because I like to wind out of the turns a little different. Oh my God. Dude, and even going back the other way, because it doesn't really matter, counter or not, you know? Because this road, you don't see the water. So this is just a road. Wow. Oh, there's some cars. But there will be passing sections. This is straight. Might as well catch up to them now. So this is straight for a while. Too far to pass, I presume, right? Yep, let's go. Right, can you go faster? .110. Let's slow down. Nice, good job. I literally was about to pass you, Greg, for a second there. Not necessarily past you, but I was too close. Because you got all that power, but I gotta wind it out. Yep. Ooh. Oh man, look at these beautiful turns on the map, and we can't do them because we got fucking Mr. Dick Pickle up front. And then we got Greg after him. Instantly. Yeah, exactly. So we're literally gonna pass him like even on double yellow, just while he's accelerating, we just go and then before the construction people freak out. Alright. So right after, yeah. Yep. So oh yeah, there might be a we'll see if we can all pass him. Let's check. Well yeah, you could do it and then you can tell us the road ahead, you know? And we can pass them one at a time. Screws. Yeah, I know. Come on, bro. No. We're gonna have to pass them like assholes then, because we're not gonna let them waste our opportunity. No. He's not from around here. Son of a bitch. Let's pass him right here. Damn, dude. No, not you. I'm trying to talk about that fucking guy. Right. He just doesn't care. He hates bikers. Right? Ooh, look at that overview of that. This guy obviously sucks. Yeah. Look at that view. That's a vista. Bumpy roads, because he knows it's about to be slow for us. Because he's a piece of shit. Oh man, look at that road ahead. It's just stupid looking. So yeah, let's deal with this, I guess. Beautiful vista. Yeah, we're like half hour from our destination, so we can always stop and chill at a vista for a little bit. Little, whoa, because this will be like one of the last vistas of this arm. Well, while it's still nice and light, and plus we can let this asshole go ahead. We can literally just get ahead of him right here.